We gotta watch motherfuckers because they can't drive, y'all. But check this out, y'all. We just made it to Mo3. Oh, look at this bad boy right there. Oh. Hey, so you guys check out Brandy's Instagram right there. Check out her car though. Very detailed. It's smooth, clean, not too much. This is it right here, guys. Nice. Fuck yeah, man. Let the guys know your Instagram if you have one. You have one? Hey. This guy got a clean build, man. That means you guys gonna have to watch my thing all the time if you guys want to see this guy right here. What's your name at least?
Daniel.
Daniel. Shout out to Daniel, guys, and his build. This shit is smooth, clean, and simple, man.
I'ma chase the bag from the front and the back end. Kick this out the club, change our clothes, bitch, we back in. SKYU let us wet, cause it is.
Go check out Immortal Society. Just dropped the new banners. Make sure you guys will check that out. What's your name, bro?
My name's John.
You got Instagram?
Yep, follow me, UBSPOS.
It'll be down. It'll be down there, guys.
Money bending backwards, watch that paper bag flip. Long nose like Squidward, I'm a store like Patrick. Fucking with some big birds, break them down like cabbage. Pull up like I'm big.
Oh, Mike.
Mike, hey, you guys check Mike out. His link will be below. This is his build right here. You will not see a Honda like this in the Bay Area at all. This is very unique right here. Nice build. I'm on right now. What's good with it, Z?
I'm chilling.
Shout your Instagram out. Where your car at? You didn't pull it up?
It's over there.
It's over there, man.
Alan Tuesday, hella underscores.
You guys heard that? It'll be right down below, guys. Make sure you hit him up. Alright, what's your name, bro?
I'm Mac.
You got
Follow me
Instagram?
underscore Uncle Mac on Instagram.
Uncle Mac? How you spell that for them? You know, there's a lot of ways to spell that.
Underscore UNCLE Mac.
Okay. Hey, you guys heard the kid? A cool show. A cool show. Up, y'all. Oh, shit.
Know a nigga with 3 strikes turned into the X-Men. Moved out of state. Cause I'm cooking with the left hand. I'ma beg your pardon. I'll be flexing when y'all starving. I'll be finished when y'all starting. Rocker boat, I'll leave her nauseous. I'm a problem. You ain't solving. Blicky with me. Please be cautious. Cracking can. Like Steve Boston, I'm the man. Go retard.
You already know who this is.
Come on, baby.
Yes, sir.
Big SK, no little SK, man. So they when you say that, man.
You guys already know. That thing will be down below.
And the nigga at work right now, and I had to, you know what I'm saying, sneak over there. I'm like, oh, I'm out of the middle with this.
My white boy Nick right here.
You know what?
This motherfucker got a badass. Woo! This motherfucker supercharged. Super motherfucking charged. I heard that. High Rev Garage. Woo! Mr. High Rev Garage himself, y'all.
Hey, get ready. He's about to have his movie soon. He's trying to. It might be a blessing. You never know. He's gonna pull up with something. High Rev Garage is gonna work on it pretty damn soon.
You guys make sure you go like and subscribe. Drop those comments down below. If you see anything you guys like, drop that comment.